In both, I wore the same thing, the name of our nation. And I stood beside others who did the same. Men and women who gave everything they had, not for the contracts, not for the applause, but because we believe in Fiji. What unites us isn't the outcome, it's the service. When the final whistle blew, we weren't protected, we were not insured, we were not supported. And yet, some of us kept serving. Through the Stonewriters' legacy, we reached villages, schools, and youths without salary, without sponsorship, because our duty never ended. But we can't do everything alone, and we shouldn't have to. The Work Care Act is already built to protect people like us. And that's missing is the decision to apply it fairly, to recognize that national representation equals national service. This isn't about rewards, it's about justice, it's about structure, it's about setting the right precedent that if you serve Fiji, Fiji will stand behind you. Because if you don't fix this now, we're telling the next generation, thank you for your sacrifice.